Meaning of indignant.
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 Indignant. The word indignant is an adjective that describes a feeling of anger or outrage in response to something considered unjust, insulting, or offensive. It is a strong emotional reaction that is often accompanied by a sense of moral righteousness. A person who is indignant may feel that their rights or dignity have been violated or that they have been treated unfairly. This strong emotional response can lead to actions such as speaking out against the perceived injustice, protesting, or even taking legal action. Overall, to be indignant is to feel a deep sense of anger and frustration in response to what is perceived as a personal insult or injustice.